Hi everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。One of the must-have items when you eat sushi is pickled sushi ginger. On today's episode, I will show you how to make homemade sushi pickled ginger. This is known as gali in Japanese. Generally, young gingers are preferred as ingredients as they have less fiber and more juicy. But no worries if you can't find it. I will make my pickled sushi ginger with regular ginger that is available anywhere. With the tips that I share today, you will achieve delicious homemade sushi pickled ginger. So let's get started. Here is my ginger. When you buy gingers, try to find one as fresh and juicy as possible. Peel the skin with a peeler or a spoon and slice it thinly against its fibers. It's important to cut the fibers when you use regular ginger. Sprinkle salt over the ginger slices and let it set for 10 minutes. This will remove the sharpness of the ginger. Add the salted ginger into boiling water and boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, drain the water. Now I will make a vinegar solution. Add sugar, vinegar, and salt into a pot. Heat it over medium-low heat. Stir the mixture, dissolve the sugar and salt. Turn off the heat just before it reaches boiling temperature. Pour the vinegar solution over the ginger and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. You can transfer the ginger into a jar that has been disinfected in hot boiling water and keep it in a fridge for months. Pickled sushi ginger is not only the perfect companion for sushi, but it has many good effects. Ginger stimulates your blood circulation and vinegar removes your fatigues, so it has many good effects on your health too. Making pickled sushi ginger is much easier than people think, so I encourage you to try this recipe at home. On this channel, I will tell you about easy Japanese home cooking and cultural stories behind the foods from Tokyo. If you find the video informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!